Have you ever flipped through a design magazine and thought to yourself, wow, I wonder if homes like that really exist?
That magazine dream house is right here at our new listing at 3685 Timberwolf Court. Hi, I'm Winter Wheeler.
And I'm Alisha Collins with the Alisha Collins Real Estate Team. Every single room feels intentional, every corner styled perfectly. And this home looks like it came out of the pages of a magazine.
This home is also nestled in the back of a cul-de-sac, and the curb appeal is absolutely stunning.
Let's go inside. You walk in through a tall front door and are instantly greeted with wide open space, natural light, designer lighting, and this subtle wow factor that you just quite can't put your finger on until you realize it's everything. Even the hallway feels styled. The flow of this home leads you like a story, and it gets better with every step. Let's talk about the kitchen. It truly is the heart of this home. And it looks like you would take snapshots of it and save it to a board on Pinterest. A massive island with hard surface countertops. You have two sinks, one of them is a farm sink, and a pot filler. I have to point out the soft gold hardware. The pendant lights feel more like artwork than fixtures.
And then you discover the Butler's Pantry, space for your coffee bar, wine storage, and small appliances. And you even have a second dishwasher.
And then there's the formal dining room. It is great sized, a gorgeous light fixture, and custom shutters. And the primary suite, it's magazine worthy, and it's on the other side of the home from the other two bedrooms we'll show you in a few minutes. A great walk-in closet, another barn door. You all know how much I love barn doors. A walk-in tiled shower. It even has a water closet, and of course, dual vanities. So on the other side of the home, off of the living room space, there's two additional bedrooms, a bathroom with a super deep soaker tub, and tile surround all the way to the ceiling. The theme is carried downstairs. You have a great area to watch TV, a built-in wet bar with another wine or beverage fridge, and there's even a space to put a third dishwasher. You have lots of bar seating, so you all can hang out and watch the game. There's also the perfect area for a game room, and I cannot shoot a basket, but I can sell a house. This would be the perfect spot for a foosball table, a pool table, and there's some extra space that goes this way. Two additional bedrooms and a very nice bathroom, complete with tile, just like the upstairs. This house has space for everyone. Oh my gosh, and let's not forget the outdoor space. This could be a cover photo all on its own. There is a fully covered patio, a built-in grill station, a pergola covered patio that actually has everything you need to put a hot tub under there, and an area for a fire pit. The landscaping is mature, the lawn is lush, and the backdrop, open skies and Casper mountain views. It's private, it's peaceful, and it's ready for your favorite outdoor furniture and string lights. Seriously, look how gorgeous this backyard is. I'd love to show you this home and the view of Casper Mountain. It's absolutely stunning. If you're ready to walk through the pages of your dream home in real life, let's make it happen. Call or text me today. Remember, we want you to love where you live. See you soon. If you're ready to walk,
Wait, what did you say?
and let's, no, if you're ready to walk through, and now I forgot what I was gonna say.
This outdoor spread could be, oh shit.
And, oh shit. If you are wed, another born,
This
out, oh!
you might have to do this one.
Okay.